Despite the burlier sounds and gutsier acceleration that the 523 horsepower X6 M50i provides, we don't think it's worth $20,000 extra. Instead, we'd stick with the 6-cylinder X640i, which comes standard with all-wheel drive. We'd spring for the M Sport package that includes a snazzier body kit, an exterior trim, an upgraded exhaust system, a retuned suspension, and a unique steering wheel. The Luxury Seating package is a solid value that adds ventilated front seats with extra power adjustments and massage functions. Those in cold weather locales like us will appreciate the new Climate Comfort package. It includes 4-zone climate control, heated seats in both rows, and a heated steering wheel and armrests. Welcome to NoorCars channel. For those of you sedan fans, now we will give you a little review about 2023 BMW X6 series. Engine, transmission, and performance. The X640i is powered by a 335 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that features a 48-volt hybrid system and pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The M50i has the same transmission and all-wheel drive, too, but its twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 is significantly more powerful. Its 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque helped it rocket to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. What's even more shocking is that the X6M has up to 617 horsepower and is even quicker. Still, the standard 6-cylinder powertrain is plenty quick and velvety smooth. Both the X640i and M50i also have standard adaptive dampers and wheel sizes that range from 20 to 22 inches. Towing and payload capacity. The X6 has an impressive towing capacity in a segment where pulling capability is often a low priority. When optioned with the available towing package, the maximum towing capacity for the X6 is 720 pounds. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Unsurprisingly, the X6's interior looks and feels like most other new BMW products. That means upscale materials and soft-touch surfaces abound, and two large 12.3 inches digital displays dominate the dashboard. While the instrument panel looks slick, the gauges are a confusing mess. The optional head-up display is more straightforward. The rest of the switchgear is also smartly laid out. BMW's gesture controls, which enable you to control certain functions such as audio volume by waving your hand in front of the infotainment screen, are included but unnecessary. Plenty of standard amenities are offered, too, including 16-way power adjustable front seats, customizable ambient lighting, heated front cushions, and passive entry. While the back seat is comfortable for two adults, its legroom and headroom shrink by about 2 and 3 inches, respectively, compared with the boxier X5. Likewise, the X6 has less cargo volume behind the rear seats. Infotainment and connectivity. The standard 12.3 inches touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It operates through various functions such as traditional buttons, voice commands, a rotary controller on the center console, and even hand gestures. The company's iDrive interface has crisp graphics and immediate responses, but some of the layered menus can be distracting. BMW also offers upgrades such as built-in navigation, enhanced USB ports, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The X6 can also be upgraded with a premium Harman, Kardon stereo, or an even more premium Bowers & Wilkins unit. Thank you for watching this video.